place the speed gates in the same straight line in the order indicated on the label. Open the swing gates and align barriers in a straight line, 3 to 5 cm between two sides. Make sure that the exit and entry passage widths are the same, and mark the locations of the expansion screws. Slots 10 to 15 cm from the size of the chassis for wiring. After cutting along the drawn line with the cutter, slotting with a hammer drill. Use an M12 drill to drill 7 cm deep screw holes. Hammer the expansion screws. Put the speed gate back in place. Tighten the nut with a wrench to fix the gate. Connect the AC power cord to the air switch, both master and slave. Connect the master and slave gates with a Senko able. Use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the screws and remove the top cover. Remove the nut of the face device and pass the wire through the face hole. Then, tighten the nut. Connect the switch cable, network cable and power cable. Then you can turn on and see if the gates work fine.